Welcome to the Tool Showdown. One of our viewers has asked us to show the difference between using a marking knife to make your marks on your wood for where your cuts need to be and using a common pencil. Both of them are going to do the job. They're both going to do the job pretty well. The difference in the two gets to be how much precision do you really want. If you want something really precise where you need to get a small line to give you details, get your marking knife out. It's flat on one side, tapered two sides on the front for your cut. Put that on where your mark needs to be. Make your mark. You got a nice fine line there, so when you're going to do your work, you get yourself right up to that really nice fine line. Easy way to do it. On the other hand, you use a pencil, easier to see, but it tends to be a lot wider mark than what your marking knife did. That's a regular number 2 that's pretty sharp. Let's get out here and get to a 5B, like an artist pencil that's pretty soft. Look at how fat that line's going to be on there. Which one of those do I want to cut? If I want precision, I'm going to go over here to my marking knife. If I want to get real close, I'm going to go to my number 2 pencil. If I just want to be in the ballpark, probably not even on the field, I'm still in the stands at the ballpark, I'm going to go to that number 5B, that artist pencil. I got a wide line here. I got something pretty narrow, and I got a perfectly fine line there. Precision work, ballpark work, pretty close enough work. That said, how do I know which side of that line I'm going to cut on? When I'm making that mark, whether it's with my marking knife or my number 2 pencil, what I need to do, knowing that that's the line I want to make, I just put a little tick mark in there to give me the idea on what side of that line I need to cut on. If I'm putting a big fat line on there, put my tick mark on there, that's the side I'm going to cut off. If I'm using my marking knife, pretty hard to see that line sometimes. I'll make that line, and then I'll get my number 2 pencil in there. Put my mark there. I know this is the waist side of my line. That's what I'm going to cut off. I'm going to come right to the inside of that line, make my cut. I'm going for accuracy. That's how I can mark which side of the line I need to cut on. And anybody that says they have not cut on the wrong side of the line and shortened their board up too much and had to start over on that particular part of the project is lying. That's our Tool Showdown. If there's something you would like us to see in terms of a comparison of 2 or 3 tools, how they work together, how they might not work together so well, put a note down below so we can see that, and we'll get back to you with the Tool Showdown on the tools that you want to see compared.